You could remove a cubic meter anywhere in the world. How would you create the most chaos? To make the biggest mess, I'd wait until the Pope, probably one of the most influential people alive, is giving an important speech. Then, while a huge part of the world is watching, poof, his head is gone. At that moment, it doesn't even matter if someone is religious or not. Everyone just saw a man's head disappear, and there's video proof of it. Everything people believe in would be flipped upside down. Is there a God? And did they do this? If so, why did they target the Pope? What kind of science explains a man's head being erased from reality? Matter can't just vanish. So what on earth happened? I can imagine two likely outcomes from this event. Either people panic and assume it's the end of the world, or the science community is thrown into disarray as one of its most basic rules is completely